Right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rollover protection system, headlights auto off, mirror memory. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.